Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create a GoHighLevel account. So if you also want to create a GoHighLevel account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So creating a GoHighLevel account is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in www.gohighlevel.com, press enter. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of GoHighLevel. From here you'll be able to elevate your marketing and sales with GoHighLevel's all-in-one platform. So if you also want to create the account for yourself, what you have to do is click on this option 14-day free trial that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Now you'll be able to create an account for yourself. You'll have to go through two steps. The first step is to enter the information about your business. After that what you have to do is enter the trial details. Now first of all what you have to do is enter the company name over here. Simply click on the field of company name. Now enter the company name over here. Now after that you'll have to enter your full name over here. Simply enter your full name. Now after that you'll have to enter your email address. Simply provide your email address. Now after that you'll also have to enter your phone number. Make sure to select the country code. Simply click on the field of country code. After that you'll be able to select the country code over here. Once you select the country code, enter your phone number. Now after you enter all of these details, what you have to do is click on this option, go to step 2. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is enter the trial details over here. You'll be able to start your 14-day free trial. You can see over here you'll have to select the plan. You'll be able to see the item and price over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. You can see over here right now there are two options. So simply click on the option of your choice. Also you'll be able to see the cost over here. Now after that what you have to do is enter the payment information. Simply enter your card number over here. After that, you'll also have to enter the expiration date and CVC over here. Simply enter the expiration date. Also enter the CVV. Now after you enter it, you'll be able to see the order summary over here. You'll be able to see the item that you've selected. Also, you'll be able to see the amount. Also, you'll have to check on this box. By signing off for a GoHighLevel account, you consent to the collection and processing of your information in accordance with HighLevel's privacy policy and you agree to HighLevel's terms of service. Also, check on this box that you can see right over here. No subscription fees will be processed today. You'll be charged once your trial period expires. Now after that, what you have to do is click on this option, start your 14-day free trial that you can see on the screen. Now after that, your free trial will be started and you'll be able to create your account. So that is how you create a high-level account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.